Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Peter, also known as the Kiwi Gardener, and this channel is all about growing Asian vegetables in pots. So even if you've only got a patio, balcony, small backyard, or a sunny corner outside your home, you can still grow some of your own food. Today we're looking at one of the easiest and fastest vegetables you can grow in a container, Kangkong, also known as water spinach. If you've ever enjoyed stir-fried Kangkong in a restaurant or at home, you'll know just how delicious it is. The good news is that it's also one of the most productive leafy vegetables you can grow, and it's ideal for beginners. Kangkong, or water spinach, is a leafy green vegetable that originated in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia. For anyone who enjoys Asian cooking, growing your own Kangkong can save money and provide a continuous supply of fresh greens right outside your door. A simple pot, bucket, grow bag, or recycled container can produce a surprising amount of food. If you're gardening on a budget, use whatever container you have available, provided it has drainage holes. A pot around 25 to 30 centimeters wide is a good starting point. Fill it with a good quality potting mix and you're ready to go. The ideal temperature for germination is between 20 and 35 degrees Celsius. If temperatures drop below about 15 degrees Celsius, germination slows significantly. For viewers in tropical climates, Kangkong can often be grown throughout the year. Here in New Zealand, I find it performs best during the warmer months. Sow the seeds about 1 centimeter deep into moist potting mix. You can sow several seeds across the surface of the pot and thin them later if necessary. Keep the soil consistently moist while waiting for germination. Unlike some vegetables that prefer drier conditions, Kangkong enjoys moisture from the very beginning. Kangkong grows best in full sun. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. However, one thing I particularly like about this crop is that it can tolerate some afternoon shade, especially in very hot climates. If you live somewhere that experiences extreme heat, a little protection during the hottest part of the day can actually help maintain tender growth. The more light it receives, the faster it will grow. Watering is probably the most important part of growing Kangkong successfully. Don't let the pot dry out. During hot weather, you may need to water daily. If the soil dries out repeatedly, growth will slow and the leaves may become tougher. One of the reasons Kangkong is becoming so popular with home gardeners is its incredible growth rate. Under warm conditions, you can often begin harvesting in just 30 to 40 days after sowing. That's much quicker than many common leafy vegetables. Once established, the plants grow rapidly and can provide multiple harvests. Rather than pulling up the whole plant, simply cut the stems above a leaf node. New shoots will emerge and provide additional harvests over the following weeks. This cut and come again habit makes Kangkong excellent value for a small space garden. Because Kangkong grows so quickly, it benefits from regular feeding. A liquid fertilizer every couple of weeks works well. If you're trying to keep costs down, compost, worm castings, or homemade compost tea can also help support strong leafy growth. Remember, we're growing the leaves, so a steady supply of nutrients helps keep the plant productive. Harvest the young shoots when they are tender and fresh. The leaves and stems can both be used in cooking. One of my favourite ways to enjoy Kangkong is simply stir-fried with garlic. Freshly harvested greens, picked just minutes before cooking, are hard to beat, and because the plant regrows after cutting, one pot can provide many meals over the season. Final thoughts. If you're looking for an easy Asian vegetable to grow in a pot, Kangkong is one of the best choices available. It grows quickly, doesn't require expensive equipment, produces generous harvests, and fits perfectly into small space gardening. Whether you're gardening from a balcony in Manila, a patio in Kuala Lumpur, or a backyard here in New Zealand, Kangkong is a fantastic crop to add to your collection. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing because we're building a series on growing Asian vegetables in pots, one vegetable at a time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.